Assalamualaikum, good afternoon everyone. My name is Nur Balqis Amalina binti Mama Izwan. I'm 15 years old. I'm school at Sekolah Menengah Kebahasaan FELDA BESOUT. Today, I would like to share a few thoughts about nature. Nature is everything around us. The trees, the flower, the river, the mountain, the sky, and all the living creatures. It is beautiful and it is one of the most important things in our life. Nature gives us so much. It provides us with fresh air to breathe, clean water to drink, and food to eat. The trees and plants give us fruit, vegetable, and shade. They also help to keep the environment cool. The sun gives us light and energy, while the rain helps crops grow. All these natural things work together to make life possible on Earth. The beauty of nature is all around us. Just think about the colorful flower, tall mountain, flowing river, and the sound of birds singing. Nature has a way of making us feel calm and happy. Spending time in nature, whether in park, near the beach, or in forest, help us to forget our worries. However, we must remember that nature is also fragile. Human activity like cutting down trees, polluting the air and water, are using too many recruits are harming our environment. This is causing problems like climate change, loss of animal and plant species, and natural disaster. We need to be more careful about how we treat nature. As students, we can help protect nature by doing small things. We can plant trees, avoid wasting water, and reduce the amount of plastic we use. We can also encourage our friends and family to do the same. The small action can make a big difference in saving our environment. In conclusion, nature is a wonderful gift that we should appreciate and take care of. It gives us life, beauty, and peace. Let us do our part to protect it so future generations can also enjoy the wonders of nature. That's all for me. Thank you.